Ever wondered how much a company that helps you ditch those crumpled receipts actually makes? I mean, think about it. We've all been there, that shoebox full of expenses, the frantic scramble before tax season. But what if there was a magic wand, or rather, a slick app, to handle all that? That's Expensify. And today, we're diving deep into the numbers. So, how much revenue does Expensify's subscription model generate? It's not just about the app, is it? It's about the problem they solve. A problem that every business, from the smallest freelancer to the largest corporation, faces. Expense management. It's a universal pain point. And Expensify, with its smart scanning and automated reporting, positions itself as the cure. To understand their revenue, we need to consider their subscription tiers. They offer various plans, catering to different needs. From individual users to large enterprises, there's a price point for everyone. This tiered approach is crucial. It allows them to capture a broad market, maximizing their potential earnings. Now, let's talk numbers. While pinning down the exact, real-time revenue can be tricky, we can look at their financial reports and market analyses. Expensify, being a publicly traded company, releases quarterly and annual reports detailing their financial performance. These reports provide insights into their subscription revenue, user growth, and overall financial health. Looking at these reports, you'll notice a trend. Expensify's revenue is directly tied to their user base and the subscription plans they choose. As they expand their services, adding features like corporate card management and automated approvals, they attract more businesses, leading to higher-tier subscriptions. Another crucial aspect is their focus on automation and integration. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency is king. Expensify's ability to seamlessly integrate with other accounting software, like QuickBooks and NetSuite, makes it an indispensable tool for many companies. This integration drives adoption and retention, which translates to consistent subscription revenue. Furthermore, consider the changing landscape of work. Remote work has become the norm for many, and with it, the need for robust digital expense management solutions has skyrocketed. This shift has undoubtedly benefited Expensify, increasing their user base and, consequently, their subscription revenue. It's not just about the technology, though. It's about the value they provide. They're selling time, efficiency, and peace of mind. They are selling the elimination of stress. And that, in today's world, is a very valuable commodity. So, while I can't give you a precise, up-to-the-minute figure, it's clear that Expensify's subscription revenue is driven by a combination of factors: a tiered pricing model, a focus on automation and integration, and the increasing demand for digital expense management solutions. Their ability to adapt to the evolving needs of businesses has positioned them as a leader in the market, and that translates to substantial and growing revenue streams. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.